Welcome to Northwest Auto Center. I am owner Alex Bertolato. At Northwest Auto Center, we care about our customers, which is a big reason we've been around since I opened the place in 2002. We're a family-owned and operated business that knows how to treat people. Nosotros hablamos español también. Dígale a sus amigos. Gracias. I just told our Spanish-speaking friends that we speak their language and tell their friends. Part of caring for our customer is providing good service at a fair price. Don't pay dealership prices for service. We use the best cutting-edge technology right here, including dealer-level computer module programming for several makes. We have lab scopes, scan tools, and our exclusive oil analysis machine, which provides meaningful and accurate information on your car's lubricant and engine condition. So, for routine maintenance and major work, bring your domestic, foreign, contemporary, or classic, car or truck to Northwest Auto Center. We're at Northrop Way and 140th, just down the hill from Overlake in Bellevue. See you soon.